Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to make vintage photos in Canva. This is a great way to give images a classic, nostalgic look using simple editing tools. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, to achieve this vintage look, all we need to do is click the image. Once we are on the image, we just need to click Edit. Under the Edit menu, go to Filters. We will click the seal so that we can see all the filters. Now, we just need to locate the vintage filter. Take a look at the vintage filter options. You can see the vintage filters, such as this one. The choice depends on your preferences. There are also retro options, so you can see here that you already have the photos or images with a vintage look. That's how we make vintage photos in Canva. With just a few adjustments, we can transform images into timeless designs.